Hey, what's up guys, thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to turn off end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before you start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your Play Store or your App Store to update your Messenger app. Very important. So just search for Messenger and you make sure that your Messenger is updated to the latest version. Now once you are done with this, all you need to do is to just open your Messenger over here. Now once you open your Messenger, you can see chat over here, and once you open the chat you can see end-to-end encryption. So just open the chat, and once you open the chat, scroll down and you can see restrict. Click on restrict, and once you click on that, click on it again and you can see restriction. Now once you are done, just turn it off, just unrestrict again and you can see unrestricting. Okay, now once you are done with this settings over here, just go back and then click on the three lines at the top left and you can see settings over here. Click on settings. Now once you click on settings over here, you can see privacy and safety. Click on that and you can see end-to-end encrypted chat. Click on that. Now once you click on this option over here, you can see security alert. Click on this option, and once you click on this option, the first option says manage security alert. Click on that and you can see contact device or keys change. Turn off this toggle. Now once you turn off this toggle over here, just go back, and once you go back you can see, once you click on security alert over here, you can see view logins. Click on view logins and you can see you have to log out from devices that you don't use again, so you can see your login info. So just click on log out. Now once you are done with this, just go back, and once you go back you can see done over here. Click on done, and once you click on done over here, just click on the chat and then delete this chat. Now once you are done, just search for the person again and then just continue your chat with this person. So with this you can easily chat with anyone without end-to-end encrypted or encryption. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video